Rock music. What's the motive behind rock music? Rock music is very controversial. Rock music gets a lot of people in bondage. What did that song make you want to do? Tap your foot? Make you feel like you wanted to hit somebody? A violent instinct? This is what you love? Rock is poor entertainment for the bloodthirsty. This is what you love? Rock is poor entertainment for the bloodthirsty. This term is called rapping, where they talk real fast.
Say there's no beginning.
Young people walk around, I love rock and roll. I love rock and roll. Young people walk around, I love rock and roll.
It won't be long.
The Beatles, the revolution began. The Beatles, drug abuse. The Beatles, roll up. The magical mystery tour is coming to take you away. What they're implying here is to roll up your shirt sleeve. That hypodermic needle, shoot that heroin. The Beatles, rebellion. We don't need any education, leave us alone. We don't need any education, leave us alone. We don't need any education, leave us alone. Rebellion. Another one bites the dust. People all over was going around. Another one bites the dust. This song also incorporates backward masculine. Play that same phrase for you backwards. You can hear the words, start to smoke marijuana.